Alright YouTube, so today I want to talk about these upol primer power cans and why they're such a fantastic product. Well, one thing I like about them is the convenience. You're not having to mix primer, you're not having to put the primer in your gun, set your gun up and then clean the gun afterwards. So convenience is definitely a good thing. So they're easy to apply, they've got decent coverage, they don't spit and splatter like some aerosols can, so they're a decent quality aerosol. I personally wouldn't use them on filler work, that's just me though. I'm not saying they wouldn't be any good on filler work, they'd probably be absolutely fine. It's just my personal preference. I would stick to using the 2K primer in the gun myself, but for a job like this, for me, they're absolutely fine. So in case you're wondering, I used two 500ml cans on this job. I'm not sure if I emptied both the cans on the job, but I know I did the top of the bonnet, I did underneath the bonnet with the two cans. There could have been a bit left over in the last can, I can't remember. But two cans easily did this bonnet. So if you're looking for a decent aerosol primer, this is definitely the product I'd use every time. It does the job perfect, it's ideal. I wouldn't use any other aerosol primer. It does the job just fine. In case anyone's wondering about reactions, no, I've not had any with this product yet. So touch wood, hopefully we won't get any in the future. So for anyone looking to buy a decent aerosol primer, I hope this review's helped. If it has, please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more bodywork tips and reviews. Next up in the link, I've got a really interesting video on how to flat runs out of clear coat. So if you go and check that video out, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.